She acts like she's unbothered, laughing louder, posting more, even smiling like she's never known what it's like to lose sleep over someone. But behind that calm, well-kept surface, she's carrying a storm she can't show anyone. Here's what nobody sees. When a woman hides her feelings, it's not because she doesn't feel, it's because she feels too much, and admitting it would make it all too real. So instead of reaching out, she distracts herself. Instead of opening up, she closes off. Not because she's heartless, but because she's protecting something fragile, her own image of strength. The world applauds it. Her friends call her independent. Her followers comment, "You're glowing." But none of them see what happens when the phone goes dark. They don't see the scrolls she does at 2 a.m., looking for signs that you're missing her too. They don't hear the whispers echoing through her mind when she's alone. They don't notice how every little thing, a song, a memory, your name in passing, cuts a little deeper than she'll ever admit, because pride is louder than pain. In her mind, admitting she still feels something would be surrender, and surrender terrifies her more than silence. So, she plays it cool, convinces herself you didn't care, tells herself you don't deserve her softness anyway, all while her chest tightens every time she sees a glimpse of the version of you she still misses. That's the truth nobody tells you. It's not that she doesn't think about you. It's that thinking about you hurts in places she doesn't want anyone to see. And the worst part? She can't escape it. Because when you mattered, really mattered, your absence didn't just leave a space, it left a mirror. And now she's stuck looking into that mirror every day, facing everything she didn't say, every emotion she shoved down, every opportunity to be real with you that she let slip past, until all that's left is the image of someone who pretends she's fine while silently breaking down. The hardest part for her isn't missing you. It's pretending she doesn't. She wakes up and goes through the motions. Coffee, work, conversations, all scripted, all surface level. Because deep down, there's a war going on between the version of herself she shows the world and the version sitting quietly behind her smile, holding back everything she never said. That version sees you in the smallest things, not just in pictures or old messages, but in routines, the places you used to go, the way someone else's laugh reminds her of yours, the way her phone stays silent during the hour you used to always check in. These aren't memories anymore. They've become reminders of what she didn't protect. And she hates that because somewhere inside, she knows you weren't asking for much. You didn't want her to beg. You didn't need her to be perfect. You just wanted something real. But she couldn't give it. Not because she didn't care, but because she was too afraid to be seen fully. And now that you've gone quiet, she has to sit with all the moments she brushed off. Every time she ignored your effort. Every time she chose ego over connection. That silence you gave her, it's loud now. Not in a way that makes her angry, but in a way that makes her think. Think about how rare your energy was, how safe she felt around you, safe enough to let her guard down. But instead, she built it higher. She kept testing you, thinking you'd always pass, until one day, you stopped taking the test. You stopped trying to prove yourself. You stopped showing up for someone who only realized your value after your presence turned into absence. And now she can't stand how you're handling it. Because while she's stuck overanalyzing old moments, you're out there, living, not bitter, not chasing, just moving. And that movement cuts deeper than any harsh words ever could. She expected you to be like everyone else, emotionally attached long after things went cold, checking in, slipping up, needing her. But when you didn't, that's when it shifted. Now she's realizing it was never about the messages or the attention. It was about who you were when no one was watching, and how rare that version of you really is. She thought she had time. She thought she could keep you close without having to be vulnerable. But time moved, and you moved with it. Now all she's left with is a highlight reel of moments where she had the chance to be real and chose silence instead. And now you've learned how to use that silence better than she ever did. Now comes the part she never expected, the shift from confusion to obsession. She keeps telling herself she's fine, that you'll message eventually, that this is just temporary. But each day you stay silent, that hope turns into something else, something heavier. Because it's not just the silence that hurts her now. It's what your silence represents. It's proof that you didn't need to yell to leave an impact. You didn't need closure to close the door. You didn't need her validation to walk away with your self-respect intact. And that realization, it's harder than she ever imagined. It breaks her because the moment she begins to suspect she's no longer in control of your attention, she spirals. She starts analyzing things she never used to care about. Why didn't he look at my story? Why hasn't he posted? Is he talking to someone else? Has he moved on already? She might tell herself you were just like the rest, but if that were true, she wouldn't still be thinking about it every night before she sleeps. The truth is, she knew you were different. She just didn't think you had the strength to walk away without turning back. And now she sees it. You didn't leave to get a reaction. You didn't distance yourself out of pettiness. You did it because you finally understood your worth wasn't up for negotiation anymore. That kind of self-control is rare and terrifying because it means she no longer has access to your emotions. She can't push your buttons. She can't rely on your forgiveness. She can't guilt you back into place. And that loss of influence makes her question everything, not just you, but herself. She begins to wonder what it was about you that felt so solid, why your energy made her feel safe, why it bothers her more to lose you than people she's known for years. Slowly, her mind becomes a maze, one where every thought leads back to the same question. How did I let this go? She replays conversations. She looks at photos she pretended to delete. She notices your name still pops up in her phone's suggestions, even though she swears she's moved on. And now she doesn't know if she wants to reach out or if she just wants the version of you that existed before she pushed you away. But either way, it's too late because you're not frozen in place like she thought. You're not stuck in the chapter she left you in. You've turned the page, maybe the whole book, and that's what really gets to her. You were once the most emotionally available person in her life, and now you're a mystery she can't solve, a man she can't read, a presence she once ignored now haunting her in silence. That's the part that keeps her up at night, not the fights, not the ending, but the fact that you walked away with peace and never once looked back. It's in the quiet that it begins to echo louder. She'll be out with her friends, smiling, laughing, maybe even talking to someone new. But then, like a shadow that never really left, you'll show up in her mind. Not physically, but through comparison, through contrast. Because now everyone else feels a little less solid, a little less grounded, a little more temporary. She starts to notice things, how others rush to impress but can't hold a real moment, how they fill silence with words but never say anything that matters, how they chase her but don't challenge her. And you did none of that. You didn't force connection. You didn't oversell yourself. You simply showed up. Real, consistent, patient. Now she sees how rare that was. And suddenly, all that confidence she once had, the belief that you'd come running back, starts to feel shaky. Because here's what she realizes quietly, painfully. You didn't disappear to punish her. You disappeared to protect your peace. You didn't withdraw to manipulate her. You withdrew because she never met you halfway. And now the space that's being created is forcing her to look in the mirror. Not the filtered one she shows the world, but the honest one. The one where she has to admit that she's not sure if anyone will ever hold space for her the way you did. Not because they can't, but because she won't let them. She's too guarded now, too unsure. Because deep down, she knows when a woman loses a man who was both emotionally present and emotionally disciplined, it shakes something loose in her. She may keep playing it cool. She may still post. She may still smile. But underneath, there's this tension she can't release. A knot in her chest that tightens every time she thinks of what could have been, if only she had dropped the performance and chosen to be real. And now, she's afraid to reach out, not just because of pride, but because she no longer knows who you are anymore. The man who used to reply instantly now doesn't flinch at her silence. The one who once stayed up late to talk her through her insecurities is now a closed door. The version of you that made her feel seen is now unreachable. That's what she's really mourning. Not the relationship, not the title, but the access she once had and took for granted. Because now, even if she did reach out, she doesn't know if you'd respond. Or worse, if you'd respond with that calm, composed tone that makes it clear you've healed, and there's no going back to a man who's already moved forward. At this point, it's no longer just about you. It's about what she's lost in herself because of losing you. Your silence did something words never could. It exposed her, not to you, but to herself. See, when someone always has your attention, they never stop to question what it really costs. But once it's gone, once they have to sit in the echo of that silence, they're forced to ask the difficult questions. One question she was avoiding all along: did I push away the one person who actually saw me? For her, the answer doesn't come easily, because you weren't just another name in her inbox. You were the one she vented to when the world got too loud. You were the one who remembered the little things, who stayed present when she got distant. You gave her space without making her feel abandoned. You supported her, even when you weren't sure you were being appreciated. And now, you've gone. Not angry, not petty, just gone. And somehow, that feels worse than anything else. Because she expected drama. She expected a reaction. She expected you to fight for her when she pulled away, the same way everyone else always did. But instead, you did something she never accounted for. You chose yourself. In doing so, you shifted the entire power dynamic. Now, every day that passes without you is another day she feels more and more disconnected from the version of herself that felt secure with you around. You were her mirror, and now that mirror is gone. She's starting to see how much of her self-worth was tied to your presence. She thought detachment would give her power, but now the power is in your silence. Not because you're trying to prove something, but because you no longer have anything to prove. You've transcended the phase of needing someone to recognize your value. And that's what's really eating at her alive. Because you weren't seeking revenge, you were seeking peace. And ironically, that peace is now what's making her restless. She feels it in her body, in the way she checks her phone a little more often than she wants to admit, in the way her energy shifts when someone brings up your name, in the way she deletes messages she typed out at 1 a.m., then rewrites them again at 1:30, only to leave them unsent. She knows you're out of reach, and that's exactly what makes you unforgettable. Because she never saw this version of you coming, the version that lets go without making a scene, the version that chooses silence over chaos, the version that doesn't need to be needed anymore. The more she sits with that, the more it burns. Because now she has to accept the hardest truth of all. She didn't lose you because she wasn't good enough. She lost you because she didn't show up when it mattered. And the space she created by pulling away, you didn't just respect it, you built in it. You found clarity in it. And now that same space is what she can't escape, because it echoes louder than any goodbye ever could. Now she's quiet, but not at peace. Something deeper has started to unravel. It's not just regret anymore, it's recognition. The kind of slow, aching awareness that hits when there's no distraction loud enough to drown it out. She's begun to realize that you weren't just a good man. You were a moment in time she can't recreate. There's no one to argue with now. No tension, no energy to manage, no presence to push away. And it sounds like that should be a relief, right? But it's not. Because now there's just stillness, and that stillness is brutal. It's in the quiet walks home, where she used to send you voice notes. It's in the favorite cafe you used to go to, where she now stares blankly at her phone. It's in her reflection at the end of the day, when the makeup's off and the distractions fade. She has to admit you were the one person who never asked her to be more than she was, but still inspired her to become better. And somehow, she pushed that away. Not because you weren't enough, but because she wasn't ready to receive love that wasn't rooted in drama, validation, or emotional highs and lows. You brought her stability, and she mistook it for predictability. You brought her depth, and she confused it for intent. But now she knows. She sees what you were, what you stood for, what you were building. And the pain that eats at her now isn't just about missing you. It's about realizing she never truly showed up for you the way you showed up for her. Here's the part no one warned her about. By the time she figures all of this out, you're not standing in the same place anymore. You're not waiting. You're not hoping. You're not even watching. You've evolved in silence. You've been focusing on your mission, your mindset, your peace. You've outgrown the version of yourself that needed closure, and without saying a single word, you've become a reflection of everything she claimed she wanted in a man but couldn't recognize when it was standing right in front of her. Now, you're a lesson, not out of spite, but because you lived your truth and didn't beg to be understood. And while she might never say it out loud, she feels it every time she opens her phone, every time she hears your name, every time someone new fails to give her what she used to have with you without even trying. That's the cost of not showing up when it mattered. That's the price of testing a man who was never playing games. And now the silence she thought would protect her is haunting her more than any words ever could. The same silence that keeps her awake at night, wondering how she ever let a man like you slip through her fingers. Because now, it's not just that she misses you, she misses the chance. And that chance is long gone. If this hit home, don't scroll past. Tap that next video on your screen. It's exactly what you need to hear next.